Your phone is leaking your data right this second. Surprised? But it is true. Every time you use Google Chrome to visit a website, your private information may be sent out. Third-party apps and ad companies are waiting to steal your data. This is not just annoying, it is a direct threat to your safety. Today, all of that ends. In today's video, I will show you exactly which settings you should turn off now. I was shocked when I checked how many permissions are on for no reason. Let's not waste time and go to the phone screen. Open your phone settings app right now. Scroll down inside the settings app. Now we need to find the apps option. Depending on your phone model, it might be called app management or manage apps. Tap it gently when you see it. Did you know every app on your phone can share data without you knowing? Not just Chrome, but Android Chrome takes the most data. Because you use it all day long, once you open this, you will see a list of all your apps. Our main work starts here. Find Google Chrome from this long app list. You can also type Chrome in the search bar at the top. Tap on the Chrome app to enter. Your first step of safety is hidden here. Tap on the permissions option after the app info page appears. These permissions decide exactly which hardware or data the browser can use from your phone. Look, Chrome has permission to use your camera here. Have you ever felt the need for a camera while browsing? Not really. So tap on camera and select Don't Allow immediately. I do not want any unknown website to use my camera without my knowledge. This can be a huge risk for your personal security. You should never leave unnecessary options open. After closing the camera, tap on the location permission in the same way. Why should websites know your exact position? Set the location permission to Don't Allow. If you need it for maps or urgent work, you can turn it on manually later. Now turn off the nearby devices permission too, so there is no tracking through Bluetooth or other ways. Now tap the back button to return to the app info page. We will change some deeper settings. Now tap on the battery option. Is the unrestricted mode on here? If so, Chrome will run in the background all the time and send your data. Change it to optimized or restricted mode right now. I personally use restricted mode to save both battery and data. Tap the back button again and scroll down a bit to find Install Unknown Apps. Click on this. If the switch is on here, Chrome can automatically install any third-party or harmful file on your phone. Turn this switch off quickly. Why does Google keep this on by default? You and I both know the answer. This is the easiest way for viruses to enter. Turning it off is good for your phone's health. We fixed the system settings, but there is a lot of trouble inside Chrome that we need to clean. Now close the settings and open the Google Chrome app. After opening the browser, tap the three small dots or the menu at the top right. From here, we will enter the internal security level of the browser. Have you found that menu at the top? Click it, scroll down, and go to Settings. Go into the main Chrome settings and tap on Google Services. Here, Google researches your browsing patterns. Do you see the Help Improve Chrome's features and performance option? Turn this switch off right now. You do not need to send your usage stats to Google. They collect your taste and habit data in the name of improvement. Turning this off will bring a big change to your privacy. Right below this are Make searches and browsing better and improve search suggestions. Toggle these two options off. These basically track your search history to show you suggestions early. I know this saves time, but in return, you are giving your search history to them. I want my thoughts and browsing to stay only with me. Now tap the back button to go to the previous menu. Now click on the privacy and security option. This is the most sensitive part of our video. There is an option here called Add Privacy. Tap it. Google tries to show you ads based on your browsing history. Go to Add Topics, delete all old topics and turn off the main switch at the top. I looked at shoes yesterday. Today I see shoe ads on Facebook. This is not a coincidence. This is your data being sold. Go back and enter Site Suggested Ads. Turn this off too. Websites track your digital footprint to show ads to their partners. If you do not stop this, you cannot maintain your privacy on the internet. Anyway, go back to ad measurement and turn that off too so no one can track your clicks. Return to the privacy menu and go down. You will find the Send a Do Not Track Request option here. Tap this and turn on the switch inside. Although all sites do not fully follow this, it sends a message to websites that they should not track you. At least a strong message is sent from your side. Think of this as your digital boundary. Now tap on Safe Browsing. Usually standard protection is selected here. I recommend you select Enhanced Protection. This uses AI to save you from dangerous websites and virus file downloads. It gives you real-time protection. Even though Google checks your data for this, it is very helpful for security. I use this myself all the time. Go down a bit and you will see the Always Use Secure Connections switch. Turn it on. Many times we enter credit card info or passwords on unsafe sites without knowing. If this is on, Chrome will give you a big warning before you enter that site. This small setting works like magic to save you from hackers. This is a must for those who use public Wi-Fi. Your safety is in your hands. Staying safe in this big world of technology has become like a war. If you think you are safe just by using a browser, you are wrong. Our small steps of awareness give us real safety. We need to make Google Chrome more secure by changing more settings. These settings might be in slightly different places on different phones. Tell me your phone model in the comments, I will help. Let me know if they do not match because settings can be different on each phone. Now scroll down from the main Chrome settings and click on Site Settings. Here it lists exactly what each website can access on your phone. I was really surprised when I entered here. The first task is to tap on Motion Sensors. Turn this off completely. Websites have no need to know your phone's movement data. This can be a very big gap for your privacy. Go a bit further down in Site Settings and check the microphone option. If it says Allowed, turn it off and set it to Ask First. No site should be able to record your voice without your permission. I think everyone should check this. Because browsers can often hear our words in the background which are used for ads. I know this is hard to believe, but it is the reality. On this Fix Your Apps channel, we always try to make your technology use safer. I use every setting in this video myself. Your phone is now much more secure. If you like the video and feel you learned something new, give it a like. Your one like gives us a lot of energy to do this kind of research. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Share this with your friends so they can also secure their phones. Go back to Site Settings and tap on Third-Party Cookies. Select Block Third-Party Cookies here. This will stop other unwanted websites from sharing your browsing data. Although some sites may become a bit slow, it is nothing compared to your safety. Your data is your private property. Why would you give it to others for free? Block it now. Go back and tap on the pop-ups and redirects option. Make sure that Don't Allow Sites to Send Pop-ups is selected. This will completely stop windows from opening suddenly or taking you to other sites. This reduces annoyance during browsing and saves you from virus attacks. To me, pop-ups are like digital pickpockets, so keeping it off is the smart choice. Scroll down and find the Intrusive Ads option. Click here and check if the option to block it is on. This will help protect you from confusing and scam ads. Many times we click on these tempting ads by mistake and become victims of phishing. If this small setting is on, that risk will decrease a lot. You have to be a little careful to stay safe. Finally, look at the background sync and automatic downloads options. I say keep these as restrictive as possible. No site should be able to sync data or download files without your permission. Once these are set, Your Chrome browser is now more secure than before. You can now browse the internet with much more privacy. If everything is okay, go back to the home screen. I hope your phone will not leak your information like before after following these steps. Remember, maintaining online privacy is the biggest challenge today. If you have trouble finding any setting, tell me in the comments. I will try to help. I am leaving for today. Have a good day and browse the internet carefully. See you in the next video. Thank you.